Hi, this is Gary at WaterField Designs, and today I'm really excited to introduce our new magnetic cycling case. I love this case because the design is so clean. It's sized to hold your needed gear and it fits perfectly into your jersey pocket. And you can see it has no traditional coil zippers. Instead, we use what I call a magnetic zipper. Embedded strong micromagnets line each side. The case is really secure. And to open it, you just sort of push and pull. One of the coolest things about this case is closing it, because A, it closes in an instant, and B, it just makes such a satisfying sound. Also, opening the case with long finger gloves, not a problem. Inside are 3 nicely protected compartments. On the side that I insert against my back, I carry flat items. You know, your cash, credit card, ID, my lens cleaner, trail pass, etc. On the other side of the case that I slide away from my back, I keep the bulkier items. Okay. The big car key or a house key, my park tool. In the center padded section goes either my phone, or I have my mini pump in here, some food, maybe a tool. The case has a bit of depth to it, so you can configure it how you wish. You won't fit a mountain bike tube in there, but certainly a lightweight road tube and other tools. And if you don't fill it, it still compresses and stays nice and compact. We make the case available in 2 sizes based on what type of phone you have. The compact size is for a standard phone like an iPhone Pro with an Apple case around it. The full size is for a Mac size phone with a protective case around it. The case size differences is very slight, but if you have a larger phone or a smaller phone with a bulky case, then get the larger size. Both sizes will fit comfortably in your jersey pocket and are easy to remove with a built-in pull tab. The X-Pac textile we use is extremely durable, super lightweight, and really helps keep the water out. This is our fabulous new magnetic cycling case. Once you slide it in your jersey pocket, within seconds you won't even notice it's there, and it makes every ride better. And they're available today from sfbags.com. Thanks for watching and happy riding.